Let's be honest, no one wakes up hoping they get to use an AED today. But if the moment ever comes, knowing how it works can make all the difference. Hi everyone, this is Dave of Safe Life, and today we are going to walk through how to use the ZOLL AED3 and how to quickly check that it is rescue ready. Now the good news is AEDs like this one are designed to be very easy to use. In fact, they are built so that even someone with little or no training can step in and help during an emergency. And no, you do not have to be a doctor to use one. However, we do recommend training so you feel confident and prepared if an emergency ever happens. The ZOLL AED3 will actually guide you through the entire rescue with voice instructions and visual prompts on the screen. In this video, we will cover 3 things. First, how to check if the AED is rescue ready. Second, where the pads and battery are located. And third, how to use the ZOLL AED3 during a cardiac emergency. Let's start with the most important question. Is the AED ready if you ever need it? The ZOLL AED3 performs regular automatic self-tests to make sure the device is functioning properly. The quickest way to confirm the device is ready is to look at the display on the front of the AED. When the device is ready for rescue, you will see a green check mark on the screen. That check mark is exactly what you want to see. Think of it as the AED giving you a thumbs up that everything is ready to go. If the device detects a problem, the green check mark will not appear, and the AED may display a warning message or symbol. If that happens, the unit should be inspected and serviced if needed. During routine inspections, it is always a good idea to check a few basic things. Make sure the pads are present and sealed inside of the device. Confirm the pads are within the expiration date. Check that the battery is properly installed and give the unit a quick visual inspection to make sure everything looks in good condition. It only takes a minute or two and helps make sure the AED is ready when someone might truly need it. Now let's take a quick look at where the pads and battery are located. The electrode pads for the ZOLL AED3 are stored right inside the device. When you open the lid, you will see the CPR Unipads package inside. These pads come pre-connected to the AED, so they are ready to use as soon as you open them. The CPR Unipads are designed to work for both adults and children. If the patient is a child, the AED includes a child mode button that adjusts the energy level for a pediatric rescue. So there is no need to go searching for a separate set of pads during an emergency. The battery pack is located on the back of the device. This battery powers the AED and allows it to perform its automatic self-test. If you would like a closer look at the pads and battery, you can also watch our full pads and battery video linked below. But as long as the battery is installed correctly and the green check mark is visible on the screen, the AED will be rescue ready. Now that we know the AED is ready, let's walk through how to use it during a cardiac emergency. If someone collapses and is unresponsive, call emergency services immediately and send someone to retrieve the AED and begin chest compressions. Once the AED arrives, place it next to the patient and press the power button. Right away, the AED3 will begin giving voice instructions and showing you visual prompts on the screen. The device is designed to guide you step by step through the rescue. First, expose the patient's chest. Next, remove the pad package from the back of the AED, and then open the package. Then peel off the backing and place the pads on the patient's bare chest exactly as shown on the pad illustrations. For an adult patient, place one pad on the upper right side of the chest and the other on the lower left side of the chest as shown on the pads. Once the pads are attached, the AED will begin analyzing the patient's heart rhythm. Make sure no one is touching the patient while the AED is analyzing.
Shock advised. Don't touch patient.
If a shock is advised, the device will tell you what to do next. On the semi-automatic AED3, the shock button illuminates when the AED is charged and ready. And you press it only when prompted, and everyone has cleared. On the fully automatic AED3, the AED warns rescuers to stand clear and then delivers a shock automatically.
Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
After the shock, or if no shock is advised, the AED will prompt you to start CPR and continue guiding you through the rescue. The AED3 includes real CPR help technology with compatible adult CPR pads. It can provide real-time feedback on compression rate and depth, including prompts like push harder and good compressions.
Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
Think of it like having a coach right there with you when things get serious. Just keep following the voice prompts until emergency responders arrive. The AED-3 is designed to be simple, reliable, and ready to help when every second matters. By performing quick routine inspections and understanding how the device works, you can make sure it is ready if a cardiac emergency happens. If managing inspections, training, and compliance feels overwhelming, we also offer AED compliance and readiness programs that help organizations keep their devices rescue ready and compliant year-round. You can visit our website or give us a call to learn more about those options. We'll also link it below. If you have questions about the ZOLL AED-3 or other AED products, our team is always here to help. You can learn more by visiting us today. Stay ready, stay safe. Thanks for watching.